Yeah, sure.
Hi, I'm Ben, and today... Cut, wrong, cut! Hi, I'm Ben.
And this is Max.
And we are hikers and adventurers.
And we have a tale of 2 cities and 100 waterfalls.
We left Virginia and drove across 3 states. Are we still in America? Do they still speak English?
I have a shot of you in every country doing this.
We went to visit Gettysburg. There was a great battle there and many people died.
President Lincoln gave a great speech.
Mr. Lincoln's hat was really tall. 4 school years and 7. Government of the people, by the people, for the people, shall not perish from the earth.
Mommy took a detour in Harrisburg and we ended up going the wrong way.
Finally on the right road now out of Harrisburg. Here's my map.
We saw a coal town that doesn't exist anymore.
It was called Centralia. The ground underneath the town burned.
So everybody had to leave. At Shamokin Whaleback.
At Tioga Pass, there was an enormous dam.
And a funny channel that connects 2 lakes. We were almost there.
Thank goodness for videos in the car.
Corning, Museum of Glass. Good thing you didn't break them, Max. Mommy would have been cross. Montreux Falls and Rockland's Glen are in the lovely Finger Lakes.
Coming into Montreux Falls. We're almost there.
Did you bring your swim gear?
Yup.
Today we're arriving at Rockland's Glen. What was it called?
Watkins Glen.
Rockland's Glen. Tomorrow I might go swimming in the lake. That is the end. Today we are going to play and see the Montreux Falls.
Montreux Falls is very pretty.
It has 2 waterfalls. This one's called Chihuahua. That means swimming waters in Iroquois.
The other waterfall is called Aunt Sarah's Waterfalls.
But it's funny because our friend Sarah introduced us to this place. For people who like motor racing,
Everyone likes car racing, Ben.
Rockland's Glen is a home for you.
They have a driver's walk of fame and lots of cool models and stuff.
And even a racing car you can climb on.
I don't think you're meant to climb on it, Ben.
Well, once Mommy took a photo of us on a Miazda sport car. But it was summer and we wanted to go hiking. First we go straight ahead. Then we go into the cave, go up the stairs, go down the stairs, and that's pretty much all I know.
Excellent work.
Millions of years ago, this stuff that I'm standing on used to be an ocean. Roots up there, they're just like getting holded by the air.
Hundreds.
Did anyone complain?
No. We were pretty sweaty after our hike, so we hopped in the lake.
Seneca Lake was pretty muddy
And a bit rocky, but it was very fun.
We could see the fishies with our masks.
There was lots of fun things to find on the beach.
Mommy went swimming every day.
But we preferred to play on the playgrounds.
Woohoo! The next day, we left Watkins again on another road trip.
We passed a lot of vineyards.
There are a lot of wineries.
Good thing Daddy wasn't sampling, or we have never gotten there. Ben passed the time playing air guitar.
We missed Buffalo completely. But it was raining hard, and Mommy was worried about our gazillion-mile hike.
At last, the rain stopped, and we could see the spray of Niagara Falls in the distance. Imagine if a person got stuck on that tiny island.
That would not be cool. No, I need like a nice smile. Horseshoe Falls on the American side.
We're gonna go see a Canada place. Today, we're at a very high point. My mom is right now freaking out.
Only shake hands across the line.
Oh.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
A bit noisy. They could do with a bit of sound baffling or something, you know? Just to keep it a little lower.
Where are we, Max?
Geneva. Hey, we're in America. Hooray, hooray, hooray. Yay, 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 hooray, hooray, hooray. We're in America. I'm gonna go catch up with Daddy now.
The Devil's Whirlpool was very cool.
There was an aerial tram and a lot of white water.
The whirlpool goes anti-clockwise during the day when the river is at full steam, and clockwise at night when the river is diverted for hydroelectricity.
Hydroelectricity. It's like a boss that can't make up its mind.
Did you find gold
Yeah.
in a man-made structure?
Yes.
After walking for almost 10 miles, we were very tired.
Good hike, babe. How was it, Max? Pretty good?
Another day,
Another drive.
another hike. I like the covered bridge.
We drove through it.
We went to Ithaca because Mommy and Daddy wanted to go to university.
Cornell University. In keeping with the theme of our movie, we found another waterfall.
Right in the middle of Cornell.
But Mommy was filming the architecture.
Daddy was researching places to eat lunch.
Food, Korean, Chinese, sounds great. This one has white rice and various other ingredients rolled in seaweed. Did we find a restaurant to your liking?
Don't know, we haven't eaten yet. Let you know after I finish eating.
After one thumb up for lunch, we needed to work off all that yummy food.
Ben. Look at this either side. That's a narrated. Ah, how is it?
Big splash.
We have done 3 hikes in 3 days. And decided to have a slower day in Watkins Glen. But we still managed another hike, Ben. First we went hunting for wine and cheese.
Scallion onion cheddar cheese made by a local farm.
Word.
And I got some Curtin Farmers Market wild blueberry spread.
Max wished for a field today. Just to confirm, there's no road marked on the sat nav. Why do we have to watch out?
Because I saw a bear print.
A bear print? Do you think this is wild and dangerous territory?
Yep. The last hike was on the old railway. It was very straight. And very flat. And very hot. And there we will leave our tale of 2 lakes, 5 hikes, and 10,000 waterfalls.